This is the Blackview Tab 9, a tablet from Blackview. I meant to order the 10, but I got the 9 instead, but nonetheless it still needs to be reviewed. So it has 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, a SIM slot, and the T610 octa-core processor, a 10.1 inch display, Full HD, Android 10, a 7480 mAh battery, and yeah, those are our main specs. Let's open this up. Oh, and this costs $150. And okay, cool. So it does come with a cover, just a regular cover though, no keyboard, but it does support keyboards, I think. OTG cable, USB-C cable, charging brick, 10 watts, headphones, manual, SIM ejector tool. Let's take it out of this case. The back is plastic, which is perfectly understandable. Okay, so first impressions. Display doesn't look too bad, so yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. So as you can see, the tablet is all set up, so the display is actually quite decent, and the tablet is also very, very responsive. As you can see, bam, Play Store. Tap here, search that, WinRider. It's very, very fast and very responsive. So far I'm really enjoying it. I also like the settings layout as well. Let's see if we have face unlock actually. All right, we do have face unlock. No fingerprint unlock though, which is understandable, obviously. Also the vibration, it's a cheap vibration motor, but it's like very engaging. So it's like very satisfying. So hard to explain. All right, let's try face unlock. Oh wow, that is cool. Oh my god, it is so fast. Damn. Alright, safe to say face unlock is extremely, extremely fast. Yeah. Alright, kinda stuttered there. But overall, it's not really lagging. Now let's see how it is without ads. Alright, so no stutter at all. So Netflix runs pretty good on this tablet. WinRider is running at 60 FPS, very smooth, no lag, no stutter. This game could not be running any better right now, so yeah, I'm very satisfied. Okay, so as you can see, right from the beginning, there's no stutter at all. So the game is running really good right now. Let's check our settings. Alright, so let's do HDR. HDR is not available. What about Ultra HD? Nope. So the highest we can go is HD and frame rate high. So I mean, it's not 60 FPS, but it's also a respectable frame rate. I mean, the game is running flawlessly. Absolutely no problems whatsoever. So I would say this tablet is very good for gaming. Can't zoom. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the speakers. It's a nice and immersive experience. They do get pretty loud, a bit of distortion sometimes, but for the price, really can't complain. So the rear camera is 13 megapixels, front camera is 5 megapixels, rear video is Full HD, front video is 720p. So with that said, let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. We're facing video on the Blackview Tab 9. It's good that this tablet has a bit of bezels because it's good for like holding it while filming, if you were ever to do such a thing. And yep. Front facing video on the Blackview Tab 9. Alright, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this tablet? And for $150, I'm gonna say, yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's basically a budget beast. You've seen how it performs, right? Good display, good speakers, great performance. Cameras are like meh, but you know, cameras are never really that good on tablets anyway. So yeah, I think this is a really good buy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.